We're headed for McKellar Hut, 4.5 to 6.5 hours. So it should be pretty easy walking, I think. Really pretty for cows. We are really high up. Some really big trees. Pretty cool. So I did not bring a water bladder for this trip, and there has been an abundance of cold, clean water. So I definitely have not regretted that decision at all. It's working out really good. I've got my smart water bottle. I've got this. I even have a collapsible as another precaution in case I need to store a bit more. And that's like 2.5 liters I could carry if I really needed, which I haven't needed to. So It's been really good. We've arrived to the hut. Just leaving McKellar Hut, headed to Mid-Caples today. Maybe stop and do an offshoot of a little peak. We'll see how that goes. See how we're feeling when we get there. In the Fjordlands National Park. Very cool. Just a bit of light coming in through the trees now. Looks lovely. We've made it to McKellar Lake. Can't really see it very much between the trees, but it's over there. Updates. I think I'm going to try to hike out maybe today instead of staying at the Mid-Caples hut. We'll see what time I get there and stuff, but technically one of my trekking pole is broke on the end and the other one, it won't stay up at this spot. It keeps coming down, so they're technically both broken. So I sure wouldn't want to be in like a windy night or something, and they're not super effective for actually hiking with right now because one just slips on everything and the other one keeps popping down. So it's not the best, but I think that I might try to get out and see about circling back to Queenstown for a pair of trekking poles. So kind of depends on timeline and like that too though. We'll see when we get to Mid-Caples what the decision will be. I think it's only, according to the dock signs, I think it's 2 to 3 hours back to the lot from there. And that's not bad. So we'll play it by ear. I'll let you know. some signs coming up. Let's see what these say. Okay. We've got this Upper Caples hut. Says it's been replaced by the new Mid Caples hut. But this would be a great place to camp. There's lots of spots. There's water nearby. You can hear it over there. And it's gorgeous. This would be a fantastic spot to camp. Definitely would camp here if I wasn't going to try and go out today. Got some things drying in the sun there. My tent is still absolutely sopping. And then I'm gonna have some lunch. I've got peanut butter and a bagel, which I'm really excited about. And then I'm gonna put on some sunscreen, some bug spray, because they are quite a few of them here. And then get back on the track. Can't wait. This river is so blue. Two to 3 hours to the car park, it said. So I'm going to continue on. It's just before 4. All right, 19 and a half miles. And we're in the last bit here to the parking lot, or car park as they refer to it here. So closing in, really excited about that because the downhill, and it's pretty good downhill right now. Downhill is starting to hurt my knees a little bit. Nothing unexpected there. After 19 and a half miles, it's okay. But I am ready, even though I have to drive for a bit after this. So I gotta go back to Queenstown and look for those trekking poles. And then I think Macpac's the only thing that'll be open by then, so that's fine. I'll check in there. And then find a spot to hopefully put up my feet for the night. And I don't know if I'm gonna head toward the coast, more into the Fjordland, or if I'm going to head inland toward Mount Aspiring. Kind of haven't decided yet. And then I'm still hoping to maybe get Ernslaw Burn in there somewhere. So we shall see how this goes. Sorry for the disruption. I'm ready for dinner as well. This bowl is huge. Alrighty, we have made it back. That's 20 miles, and that took me about 9 hours with my stops for photos, stop for lunch, like that. So pretty good time, I think, but nothing to write home about. Pretty easy trail, so yeah. But back to the car and into town we go.